All right, welcome to the quick start of launching your ABC Fundraising Web Store. So you got this email. One of the first things you want to do is just confirm that your web store is correct. So I'm going to click that, and here I am on the web store. So yes, my group name up top is correct. It says 20 days left. That's correct. So it looks like we're good to go. Let's get back to the email. Next thing you want to look at is the end date. So the 20 days left correlates with my end date. It's the little green date here in your email. So that's perfect too. All right, all my details are here. Now let's actually go join our store. So you're going to take the code here, copy that, and then click here, the ABC Fundraising Web Store login. So you'll come to this page and you will click Join Fundraiser. Do not put your email or password because it doesn't exist yet. So you want to join fundraiser, and then remember I copied the code. I'm going to paste it there and then click join. So you're going to put your first name, last name, email, confirm the email, your phone number, your password, and again confirm password, and then hit next, and now you are attached to your own web store. Let's actually look at what the back office dashboard looks like on a web store and the simple buttons you'll need to know about to click. And here I am now with my email and my password, and now I can log in to my web store. All right, so here's how it works. You would click fundraiser in the left corner and Mission Viejo Titan, so I know I'm in the right place. You are not going to use anything down here. A lot of it's beta testing. Do not worry about anything. You have a couple point of contacts to call, our email address and our phone number at any time. You can also go to ABC Fundraising and get that information, but you'll click orders. This is empty right now because we just started this campaign. That this is where you're going to see as the orders start coming in. So you can place one yourself now on your web store if you want to test it. And then when the campaign's done, or anytime you like, you can come here to exports and you can export to Excel. This is the full report of who sold, who the customer is, and what they ordered. Or this one, the third one down, order report, is just to see who sold what for your distribution. Those are the only two. Skip all these other reports. They're beta testing. They might not be here actually when you come to your web store. So those are the two buttons. That is it. You are ready to launch it. So let's go quickly look back at that email again, and always reference back to your email. You'll see here, just you as the coach log in. Your players will not do this. You could have an assistant coach, log and join your web store if you like, but that's for you. This dotted line, you want to copy this and you want to paste it into a new email because we pre-written it for you. You just copy and share this, give it your own personal touch, like, hey gang, great game last week, whatever you want to put in there, and then you can blast email that to everybody. But remember, texting is going to be your #1 way in sharing this, and we explain it in this email. And then you're ready to go. We do recommend you watch our longer video that goes into way more detail, tips on how to have a successful campaign. That's at the bottom of abcfundraising.com on our homepage, or it's the link at the end of this video that you can click. So happy fundraising. We wish you all the best, and don't hesitate to ever give us a call for any questions. All right. Thank you.